All right, guys. So welcome to this live session here with the host of the effects. So as we do every weekday, we look at the forex indices and the markets. Hope everyone had a great morning. Today's Friday, last day of the week. We had a great week overall. So let's get into as we do every startup sessions. We're gonna be looking at the Forex Factory website. I want to make sure that we're live. Yes, perfect. Perfect. So for today, no big movement here today. We have unemployment rate for CAD that was at 8:30. So let's look at the numbers here. So unemployment rates we're at 6.9%. We're expecting 7.1. So unemployment rate is better. So if we look at the details here, so show less than forecast is good news. That's perfect. Yeah, unemployment change, 83.1K, and we're expecting 0.9K. There's an error here, but okay, so 83.6.1K. So okay, so that's seems that would be the right else. Well, I had the GDP month to month for British pound minus 0.1%, but 0.1% positive last month, uh, minus 0.3% last month. So pretty good. So overall, if you sometimes if you look at the forecast it's lower than the actual is lower than the forecast, it needs to be higher than the previous month. So if it's higher than the previous month, that's a good sign overall, right? So let's get onto it and look to see exactly on the charts exactly what we have. Let's see. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Put any questions in the chat. I will be here to answer them. No problem. At different setup here. So I was looking at gold earlier. So we're going to go back here and see exactly. Open EMXAI. So this is my custom indicator here that I created. So for German, we had a sell here that was around London session this morning, where you went at TP3, almost TP4. You're gonna see TP5 basically. So as you can see, this is the TP zone that it wanted to reach. I think it went to TP4. TP5 is the next one. So TP5, yeah. So that's TP5, perfect. Now we have. It's gonna minimize that, guys. Boom. I'm gonna change that. US30. So everything was bearish here since last night at around 8. We had some cells set up here and started to go lower. So we have Nasdaq here, did the same thing. We had a big sharp down movement here. Even S&P 500 did the exact same thing. So that went real quick here towards a previous level for support and started to bounce off of that previous resistance and started to go lower. So every time it's going to do that, that's a good indication that it's going to be lower overall. And I was overall selling for this week for the indices, but we were going higher, and now it went back towards our previous check here. Yeah, so Monday was right here. So basically, this week was bullish here overall. Now it's closing lower down, but still bullish overall for the week. Russell did the exact same thing. We had a big sharp down movement here at around 8. And I'm just gonna skip towards the gold. Gold is still going higher right now. So we've been bullish here in gold since Tuesday. So Monday was selling off, and since then going bullish. The XY here is trading sideways right now since Thursday. So, right, so that's great. Let's go on platinum, and I'm going to be looking at crypto in a few. Platinum sideways here. A lot of choppiness here on platinum, so not a good week to trade. But if you're able to scalp it, that's perfect. Then you have oil, so crude oil. We had a sell set up here since Wednesday, and right now it's at TP13. It went to maximum TP13. Now it's starting to reverse, so waiting for a buy setup here overall. Now we have crypto here. So we had 117K. So if you remember, guys, beginning of the week we were at around 105, I think, or 107. Yeah, we're at 108. Now we're at 117. So everything is breaking out, especially XRP. XRP right now is at $2.60. It's still going strong. So if you remember, I did put a full flag. Minimize that, guys, so you guys can see exactly the markup that I did, and I'll put it on a 4-hour chart with less signals, less candles. So this is basically the bull flag that I set up here since that big push that we had here in November. Right. So after the Trump win, we had a big bull setup here. Now we did a high here at $3.60 something cents. I think $3.40. After that, we were trading in a range, going down, creating a bull flag, and I was expecting to have the price breaking out around 230, 240 to confirm a bullish breakout, and that's exactly what we did here on July 9th. So basically, right at when Brad Younghouse was talking to the oversight committee, we had a bull run here with a lot of news. So it breaks out of that flag. So right now we are bullish here. All right. So I'm expecting to have the price. There will be a retracement that will be done, but overall I'm bullish here on XRP overall. All right. So that's perfect. We have 5 minutes left before market open. So we're going to go back on as we do edge in every New York session. We're going to focus on NASDAQ and see exactly what type of setup that we have. Let me open this and this. right, so if we look at price action overall, so if we see here, the horizontal line, and flat power lines here on the previous support resistance lines. So based off of that here, we went back to that zone, so I'm expecting to go long here. NASDAQ to fill up that gap because it did create a gap. It went to that retracement up of that gap, coming down, but we still have liquidity on the top here. So I think to go higher overall. So we're just gonna wait for the market to open. I always do a demo trade, so I'm just gonna prepare myself, and this is only for educational purposes only, guys. So do that on your own. Do that on your own risk. All right, so took my position here before market open, like always. Put my TP at this level here, and stop loss will be that level right here. So let's see how it goes. So 9:30. Good push here upside. right, so we're pushing upside, no news, so no nothing, so it should be smooth. So I'll just adjust my stop. I'll put it at those lows here just to minimize my risk. And I will adjust my TP, put that in that region right here. The reason why I just did here is because we had a lot of consolidation here before that push down. So expecting the price to go towards those levels to do anything afterwards. All right. So this is the position here for today. So I'll be back, guys. All right. So let's look here. Everything is looking good here. US30. Look at just gonna look at what's happening here with I'll take a sell here. All right. So as I was looking bullish right now, close this. That's the position for today. Let's close it out. Thanks so much for being on this live. We'll catch on the next one. Have a great weekend. And next week, I won't have any lives here because I'll be out and about. So should be the maybe the last live for this summer. So we'll be back, maybe back on for uh, beginning of September. So we'll see that. All right. So if there's anything, I will let y'all know. All right. See, in that case, wish you a wonderful day. Have a great one. Peace.